Hey, this is T with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2022 Bennington 23 LXSR Pontoon with a Mercury 225 on it. DTS motor, smoky granite with a black accent, carbon interior. Around to show you a couple pictures, videos. Does have the power bimini top on it, so it's nice. Deluxe ski tow bar, SPS package, Mercury 225 DTS with stainless steel prop. Absolute beautiful boat. Let me climb aboard and check it out. It's got the carbon interior with the graphite accent. Captain's chair, co-captain's chair. It's got the bow gate seat, table. In-floor storage. Wraparound seating up front. That center seat does move. Table does stow away. Console, under the storage console. It's got the Simrad Go 7 in it. It does have the LED lighting, of course. And correction, that is a non-DTS motor. It is not DTS. It's just standard Mercury pre-rig. Beautiful boat. It is available, located here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.